The chainsaw on the bench. I think I know what the fault is. I'm hoping it is this, so I'm going to show you how to find the fault and rectify it. It's not a big fault if it is this one, and it's not hard to find. First thing, let's take this plastic cover off. And let's remove the air filter by unscrewing this. Right, if we look in here, I'm just going to move the camera so you can see. You can see that wire there. It goes back on itself. That's for the choke. See, that one's working fine. And the throttle is the one below it. So I'm going to squeeze the throttle now and see if we can see that one moving. It's moving, but it's not moving in excess of to control the throttle. So I think we need to look at the trigger. It looks connected, and well, it is definitely connected. I'll show you. You can see, let me point it with my screwdriver. That there, where it comes into there, that's the end of the throttle. That end's connected fine, but it isn't moving properly. So we need to look at the trigger end. So let me show you how to do that. Just put the camera down. So if we flip the chainsaw over and you look down that hole there, you can see the screw at the bottom. We need to remove that screw to get the chainsaw trigger handle off. Turn the saw back over. Should just lift off. There we go. Let's take a closer look. You can see there the trigger. Oh, I hope it hasn't snapped the trigger where the hole is. No, it's not snapped. That's good. It's just popped out of the hole. See the hole there where it should go in? So let me put it back in. Just get some long nose pliers because it's quite awkward. This is going to be to get in. There we go, that is in. Just press that in. So you can see it down there. So I'm guessing what's happened, it's popped out of the trigger and got stuck on the front side of the trigger, forcing the throttle on constantly. That trigger's pretty secure. It just doesn't like it's in all the way, but it's pretty reasonably secure. So I'll button all that back up and see how it operates. This needs to go under this handle here. That little wire goes there. In there you can see where it slots. Put the camera down, I can't do it with one hand. There. That's in. Flip it over. Put the screw back in the handle. The air filter back on. Which way is it? This way. So I'll just put this cover back on and I'm going to fire it up and just make sure it was that, or should I say make sure it's working correctly. That's it. Turn it round. Turn the choke off. And that seems to solve it. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you've figured out how to do that small repair. Any questions, stick them in the comments and I'll answer them. And thank you for watching.